This is what I call my one and done project purchase. I love this box. It comes with everything I need. I get this every time I have a painting project, which is pretty often. This paint tray kit has everything you need. Look at all that. All in one. Order this and you don't have to think about what else do I need. It comes in this nice reusable box that you can store it away, or you can just toss it and order a new set every time. The value is very good. It comes with the 4-inch paint roller brush. This is an ergodynamic handle. It has the hook for hanging it up, and it comes with 5 rollers. That is just great. I love the 4-inch foam rollers. It's what I use every time. It's easy to use. These rollers fit on and off really easily. I love that there's 5. If I want to toss it instead of rewash it, I can do that. But if I want to wash it, it easily slips off, and you can do that and use these rollers over and over again. I like using a 4-inch roller brush because it's easy on my hands, and it makes getting all those corners and cutting in without tape. I love this. It comes with the Tarp ready to go. How convenient is that? And the standard good 2-inch angled brush, which can do angled jobs and regular jobs. The kit is terrific. It comes with 2 plastic tray liners, so you can easily clean up, switch from different types of paint, and it has a grip here that holds it in. It has a side piece here where you can simply get the extra paint off your brush, and the ridges to get the extra paint off your roller to apply with an even coat. It even comes with these sticky pads to help it stick at the top of a paint tray on your ladder. Very high quality, everything you need. One and done project box. This magnetic strip here will hold any tool in place that you're using. What a nice feature to have a magnetic strip. I order one every time I need to paint a project. It is easier to buy this kit each time I paint a room or a project than to rewash and buy all these things over again. One and done paint project kit.